Hello, in this video what I'm going to do is to show you how to solve a word problem involving system of equations, and we will be able to solve this question using elimination method in system of equations. Let's go ahead and read the question. In the yard were chickens and rabbits. Together they had 14 heads and 44 legs. How many chickens and how many rabbits was in the yard? So in order for us to solve this question, we need to give a variable for those two type of animals. One of them is chicken. Let's go ahead and call it. Let's go ahead and write down chicken. C is going to be representing the chickens, number of chickens. And rabbits, I will be using the variable R for the rabbits. So we know that the equation is supposed to be, since the number of heads is 14, C plus R, it is supposed to be 14. And when we are talking about the legs, we need to multiply the number of chickens by 2 and number of rabbits by 4. And 2C plus 4R is supposed to be equal to 44. So like I said, we will be using the elimination technique. So in order for us to use elimination technique, we need to make one of the variables in each of those equations opposite of each other with the same absolute value coefficient. So I will be eliminating the variable C in this case. So I need to multiply both everything inside the first equation by -2 because I have 2C right here, so they can eliminate each other. Let's go ahead and rewrite everything back again. So -2 times C, that would be -2C. -2 times R, that's going to be -2R, equals -2 times 14, that would be -28. And I'm going to rewrite the second equation, which was 2C plus 4R equals 44. So if I add both of those equations that I have right here, 2C plus -2C plus 2C, that would be 0. -2R plus 4R, that would be 2R. And -28 plus 44, that would be 16. So if we divide both sides by 2, we will be able to find the number of R, which is number of rabbits, and that will be 8 rabbits. Now, the next step is to use one of those equations that we had in the very beginning. Let's go ahead and use the very simple one, which is C plus R equals 14. Since I know the number of rabbits right here, which is 8, C plus 8 should be equal to 14. If I want to solve it for C, I need to isolate C by taking away 8 on both sides. That's going to be canceling out each other. C's are canceled out. And C comes down here, which would be 14 minus 8. That would be equal to 6. So I can say that number of chickens is 6 and number of rabbits is 8. So this would be the solution to this system of equations. And we use the technique elimination method.